This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Ford Fusion. This happens to be a 2011 model. And the problem we're having today is we cannot open the driver's door from the inside. So we got to get in there and figure out what the problem is. Here's the problem right here. Look at, there's nothing connected to the handle. I suspect that it's broken right there. So the first thing we got to do is take the door panel off so we can get at it. First thing we got to do is remove the screw right here behind the handle. A little cover. Pop that down. And underneath there you'll see a T20 headed screw. Okay, don't want to lose it. Got it. She's a small one. Now let's get this bezel out. And we got a electrical connector back there. We got to remove. Next we have this 7mm headed screw down in this area of the door handle. We got that. Next we need to remove this piece with the power window switches. And in the back there you'll see all the electrical connectors we have to remove. And we got this gray one. And we have this small gray one right here. Okay, our switch is all off. Next we have this T20 headed screw in the side of the door panel, and we got to remove that now. Next we have a screw way down here on the bottom of the door panel, a T20. Now the only thing holding the door panel on now are the little push pins. So we're going to pry the there it is. Let's see, did we break any? No, doesn't look like we broke any. Here is a look at the door handle, and you can see the broken part in there. That's what went bad. We have one 8mm headed bolt that holds the door handle to the door. Now we have to remove the cable. Okay, there it is. Here is the new handle. Line up our cable. Snap it in place. Easier said than done. That's a tight fit. Getting that thing to lock in there. Okay, there it is. Now we'll put the bolt back in the handle. Oh yeah, she works now. Alright, we got to put the door panel back on. Make sure our wires are where they need to be. Okay. Okay, door panel's all on. Putting the screws back in the door panel. There was one right here. And there's one on the bottom. Next we need to put our switch panel back in place. Alright. Next thing we got to do is put our door handle bezel back in place. There it is. Now for the screw. Boy, this one is a real small one. You got to be very careful. You don't lose it. Boy. Okay, be careful. That screws into plastic. Don't want to over tighten that. Put the cover back in place. There it is. Let's see if the new door handle fixed the problem. Yep. Beautiful. Works nice now. No more rolling the window down and reaching outside and opening the door that way. That can be a real pain. Okay guys, thanks for watching.